Hi guys, I have here a soldering station. I bought it secondhand. Uh, this is a brand of Aeolus and Aeolus. Yeah, this must be a local brand, and this is a 936 soldering station. It's a variable in heating, so has a maximum temperatures of 480 Celsius or 896 Fahrenheit. I bought this secondhand and this one is still working, so I'm gonna use this for this channel for my DIY and other repair guide. This one is made, there you go, the electrical component, just made in China, has a 50-watt power, and there you go. And this one has a fuse over here, so this is gonna be a nice so it will help for it's something wrong. And this one came up from this one is his soldering tip, but the problem is this is the soldering tip is too very ugly. Oh my god. So I bought soldering tip. This one has a include of well, not in good shape. There's also corrosion, yeah. So I bought this one from my local online store. So we're supposed to be here. Wait, it has a free mounting for the soldering tip. Supposed to be in the website. I just only have this only. This one is a 10 tip. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's a little bag, a zip bag, yeah. So I bought this so I can replace this one. This one is so very ugly, and sometimes the soldering lead did not stick, and also, oh my god, there you go. This one is not in good shape. So let's see if this one is the same size. So it has a pre, yeah, it's a full one, so I can replace all of this thing, but I will never use this for now. So this one is in good shape, so we're gonna test this one. So for now I'm using something. I'm gonna use this only one for this thing, so I'm gonna use this tiny flat type, but it's just pointy. Or maybe, wait, supposed to be another one right here, because sometimes I use a tiny bit, so I'm gonna use this one. So let's check. This one is the same size, also the same size, barely, just a little bit bigger, right? But I think it's gonna work. So the problem is this thing is, when I see this tip, it's not fully on the top, so it will be working. So now, so it fit, yeah, tiny wiggle. So you're gonna use this. Oops. Yeah, it's like here. Oh, it's not fit on this holding bracket, so I'm gonna use this one. So let's see if we can use this one, if this one's gonna fit. Wait, let's see if this one is, yeah, it's a bit shorter. So let's see. Oh, it's too deep, and I think it's gonna fit. So I will not use the new one, so I'm gonna use the old one. But I think it's, let's see about that thing. This one, so very different. So so wait, I will just use the old one first, since it seems like it's working. Oops, there you go. So it's fit, so it's good now for now. So I will have here is power, so I can put this thing, and I put this one first. That's a 3 pump. So let's try to and heat it up, and we test the new soldering tip. Oops, something wrong with my, there we go. And we're gonna go just only 350, and we wait until this one is gonna blinking. So this one is, it means it's heating up. In it, if the soldering iron is on the heated you chosen, so it's gonna blink. So for now we will wait until it's blink. And see, it's blinking now, so it might be work to use. Let's see, I have here a tiny soldering rick, and see if this one is gonna work. And wow, nice, it's working, and the solder is sticking on the soldering tip. So this one is gonna be, nice. Let's see if we have here, this one, 18650 battery. So let's try if we can heat fast and solder it. Oops. I think my heating is too low, so I can put into the 400. So it's sticking in, and let's go. Oops, it's nothing work. Maybe I need it too high for this thing. So we need another one. It's not sticking. Maybe that's a problem because there is dirt on the 18650. So guys, this is my soldering iron to be used for this channel. So I have here multiple tip so I can use for my DIY project. And see you guys for another video. And you can like and dislike this video if you want, and also you can subscribe and